When an alarm occurs, there are three main ways to transmit alarm information to an ARC.
Dahua provides three ARC integration solutions for different business needs.
The first is the standard SIA solution. However, traditional SIA has some deployment and capability limitations.
To simplify configuration, Dahua adds cloud-based parameter management.
ARC parameters can be configured in advance on Dolin Cloud. This reduces on-site work and improves installation efficiency. The second solution uses a converter. In traditional direct mode, the control panel connects to the converter and ARC directly. However, installers still need to manually configure the converter. To simplify deployment, Dahua also provides cloud-based parameter management for the converter solution. ARC can configure and upload converter parameters in advance.
This further improves deployment efficiency.
Like the enhanced SIA solution,
This solution still requires integration with Dahua's platform. For advanced integration needs, Dahua introduces Open ARC API. Based on Dahua's private protocol, it supports full two-way communication. It supports all types of data transmission and remote control functions. Compared with traditional solutions, it provides more complete integration capabilities. From SIA to converter to Open ARC API, Dahua offers flexible integration options for different business needs. ARC providers and installers can choose the solution that best fits their requirements.